Hey, today I'm going to show you how to make a disposable paper round. All you have to do is just follow the pictures. Okay, all of that, this was, you can make 10, I think it was 7, 8 per piece of A4 paper. And you just have to, this is how you make it. You rip the A4 paper in half, and you rip it in half again, and you rip it in half again, as you could see from the pictures. Okay, now you just fold this in half. Okay, it's in half. And then you fold it in half again in the same direction. And then you fold it in half. You fold it in half again. And then you fold it in half again. I know it's kind of funny, but that's what you do. Okay, now it's the hard part. You fold half the other way, so it's lower length. See, look. It's just like that. And then you just tape the other side. See? It's very good. And it shoots 65 feet with the ZLG. And I'm going to post it on Instructables now.